Another mail day. A screen full of packages. Let's go. Let's start with this big one. I asked them not to fold it, and they didn't. It's soundproof foam. It's from a low quality. Let's hear the difference. Test 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm very curious how this is gonna sound. I went out to go test this on the computer. I almost can't hear the difference. Fail. Next. The Studio Acoustic Foam. It was €1.50 for one 25 centimeter on 25 centimeters. What is this saying? Oh, I have another one like this. It's saying the same thing. It is a flash diffuser. Probably from a very poor quality. You always get what you pay for. It was a 0.58. This has a twist. I want to make a bracket, like so, a bracket. So I have two flashes, like so. You need two diffusers. I'm never gonna use the colored ones though, the blue and the orange one. And here is the price of that flash diffuser cover. I ordered two, and one is €1.06. This clip-on I ordered for this flash. LED bulb times 4. Oh, these are small. Oh, this I think is the warm light. These are LEDs, but these are strange. This is a positive side and this is a negative side. There's 9 LEDs. And I think I ordered this as 25 watt plus the LED drivers. These are mains in and 9 up to 10 volts out. I'm gonna test them just with a 9 volt battery and with dimmer. Let's turn it up very softly, because now I'm at the, I can go up over 11 volts. This is a fresh charged battery, so probably 12 volts. I can look directly into it and it's only at 7.3. Let's crank it up to 9. Yeah, and it's getting really warm. This can't operate without cooling. One bit. This is crazy hot. This phosphor gonna melt. I have some cooling. This is an amp meter. Half an amp. This is the maximum this LED is able to. And that's 7 watt. And it's pretty bright. Yeah, it's hurting your eyes. And it's cooling nicely now. It's getting a little hot. I looked right into it and I can't see. It's 0.6 amps at 9.1 volts. That's the brightest this LED can do. I do think it's very poor. It is getting hotter. Yeah, this cooling isn't good enough. For half an amp, it's putting out 7 watts and it's getting this hot. Wanna see the warm lights? Okay, let's try the warm lights. Let's test. We're ready. Let's go up to 9 volts and half an amp. For sure all 9 are working. We got 0.3 amps, 8 volts, 0.5 amps. I want to go to 9 volt though. That's 1 amp then. Half an amp is only 8.3 volts. It's not really bright. It's still very white. This phosphor is too cheap. If I want to go to 9 volts, it's not really even. If I go to 9 volts, it's putting out 0.8 amp. That's nearly 10 watts. They are rated 10 watts. These are 10 watts LEDs. This is generating a lot of heat. I ordered this one, the cheapest 10 watts with his own power supply from 220 to 12 volts. Was it 12 or 9? Let's see in the table. The cheapest 10 watts, cold and warm, 9 to 10 volts. Yeah. And the price was, if you click the warm light, the cheapest 10 watts, it was €1.10, and that was like so, this combination. The cold cheapest white watt, also this combination, was the same price. Cold or warm, always €1.10. Let's go to the next one. This is quite heavy, it's fluffy, it's airy. These are magnifying glasses to put on your lens. This is a +1. Ooh. Can you see that on camera? This is quite heavy. It's a +10. This is the biggest one. They're cold. Can you see it through them? See my hand? Really close. Your focus point is totally different then. A +10, +2, this was the +1, +4, +4. And I think you can combine them. But I don't want to touch the other glass. You never are able to put a +10 on this one, because then you're gonna touch the glass. Can I add the +4 to the +10 and so on? It doesn't like it. Am I touching that glass? Wait, let's try with the +2. That thread sucks. Doesn't take it. And I'm pretty sure I'm not touching. Oh, there is no thread there. What the fuck? They advertised it like that though. There is no thread here. The focus is like a couple of centimeters from the lens. The 62mm lens macro filters. Actually, it are just magnifying glasses. 4 pieces, a +10, +4, +2, +1. All in a nice carrying bag. But, like it is showing here, you can't attach them to each other, which to me is a fail. They should have made it available so you could screw them together. So you could go up to 15 plus, but yeah, whatever. Those were nearly 12 euros, free shipping. Oh, another repair toolkit. They call it an opening tool. It's kind of flexible, it's metal, but they had some gooey, like silicone on it. It's to pry stuff open with. It's all. Whoa. The opening repair tool was €1, free shipping. Framing? Framing? Are they framing me? What the fuck? This is so... They added a Christmas hat with it. Why? Why did they do that? Does it contain anthrax or whatever? Is this some kind of an attack of the shinies? It's nice though. That's a nice touch. The item itself, they do that to be nice. So this is to put on a tripod. This is a ball head. Here you put your camera. But then, if you place your tripod and your camera, this is an insect, and your camera is sitting here, with your lens sitting here, and the focus is really, really small. It can be, this is focus and this is not. This is focus and this is not. It can be half a centimeter. But if you set up your tripod, your camera, everything else, everything is ready, everything is set, and then you can't find your focus because the focus from this camera is reversed lenses and magnifying lenses is so small that you need to replace your tripod, your camera, everything else, just this much, half a centimeter, because your focus is here. It's razor sharp. It's here. And you want your focus here. Then this comes into play. I can put this on this ball head. And now we can focus. Almost 10 euros. Yeah, 9.66. This one is not from China. I think it's from the Netherlands. And I ordered this for a friend. 3 18650 batteries. Is the LG BHG. They come in at 354, 354, 354. Good enough. I think this is the last one. LED. Oh, they have a lot of LEDs per centimeter. 3M. Yeah, right. What's the positive and what's the negative? Are these all the same? They seem warm as well. It's a dark phosphor, so I guess they are warm white. You can see the difference clearly. This is a lot more yellow, warm, white. I think this is negative. Let's try it with the low voltage. This is not white whatsoever, this is just yellow. These are useless. These are yellow. These are not even close to warm white. Let's try the white. That's a strange color. 12 volt, 5 meters, 300 LED, not waterproofed LED strip. I ordered the white ones, €2.78.